Okay, so here's F12. We're going to differentiate the expression. So I'll do number 2 and number 6. So we're going to differentiate this. I know that them being given that A is equal to A of Y. So I'm going to need an A prime after an A derivative. Okay, so here for 8AY, I'm going to need product rule. Derivative of 8A is 8, bring down the Y, plus, shoot, okay, I need an A prime after A. I got thrown off because of the Y's. Okay, so let me start all over. Whoopsie. Okay, so the derivative of 8A is 8, but I need an A prime after an A derivative, so it's 8A prime. Bring down the Y, plus, bring down the 8A. What's the derivative of Y? In this situation, it is just 1. You don't follow it with a Y prime because Y is the independent variable. It's the input variable in this case. Not usually, but in this case it is. Okay, plus derivative of 4Y is just 4 minus the derivative of 6A is 6, but I've got to follow it with an A prime. Okay, so you've just got to pay close attention to what gets the prime. And in this case, it is an A derivative. Okay, now this one. So I chose this one specifically because it falls in line with phase 11 because we're subtracting a product here. So we're going to differentiate this expression. We know that R is equal to R of W. So R prime after an R derivative. So the derivative of negative R to the 5th is negative 5, R to the 4th, R prime. Then the derivative of this term is going to require product rule. So the derivative of negative R is negative 1 R prime, bring down the W. Bring down the minus R. And then the derivative of W is just 1. Plus the derivative of 3W to the 4th is 12W to the 3rd. Okay, so we've got R primes after our R derivatives. Let me just make it look a little nicer. You could stop there if you want, but minus R prime W minus R plus, like you don't have to write when you're multiplying by a 1.